So today I wanted to talk about macronutrients. Now, if you've been dieting before, you would have heard the term macro, and today I wanted to shed a little bit of light on it for you. Macros, as you can imagine, is something that we eat a lot of, and essentially it refers to carbs, fats, and proteins. Now we're going to look at each of these types of nutrients in a little bit more detail now. We're going to start with carbohydrates. Now, carbs have gotten a bad rap for quite a while now as something that you absolutely positively want to avoid at all costs. The truth is, carbs provide our body with the best source and the easiest source of energy for our body. We eat carbs through a number of different foods, namely grains, but also we get them through fruit and vegetables and dairy products and the foods that are made from those foods. So, for example, bread. Carbs do provide our body with energy. Yes, that is true. It's also true that if we don't use all of this energy, we'll continue to store it for later use. Your body likes that. That's why carbs have been seen as evil from a weight loss point of view for a long time. Your body relies on the energy intake from carbs, but the foods that we get carbs from offer so much more. So by cutting them out, it can lead to other issues for your weight and health. Grains and vegetables provide fiber that you need to feel full and also for a healthy gut. Fiber is particularly important in weight management as it helps you feel full and stops you from overeating, which is why a high fiber diet has been popular for quite a long time. In terms of fiber, we need the whole grain, we need the whole vegetable, and we need the whole fruit, not the juice version, not the white bread version where the grains are mashed up and there's no fiber left in them. We move on to fats. Now, fats also provide your body with energy, although your body has to work a lot harder to break them down. Fats are an important part of a balanced diet. Fat's important for the absorption of certain, what we call fat-soluble vitamins, and also helps you feeling fuller and is required for cell wall health and many other health benefits. I'm sure you've heard there are good fats and bad fats. Now, good fats are unsaturated fats and found in plant-based foods such as olive oil and nuts, but also in fish and avocado. And they help to reduce your chance of heart disease and important for your immune health. Saturated fats, the other side, are found in processed food and animal fat and full-fat dairy, and does the opposite for your heart and best consumed in small quantities. Now, not zero quantities, just small quantities. The best way to remember them is that if your fat turns to a solid, it's saturated fat. And it will turn to fat in your arteries too. Unsaturated fat is liquid at room temperature, so think olive oil. Fats give your body energy for your day and release them much more slowly than carbs, meaning you feel fuller for longer. They make up an important part of your diet, and please don't get confused with what we call fat, the thing you're not really happy with in your body, and the fats in food. They're two different things. And the food industry in particularly the sugar industry, has played on our fears about that for a long time, so please do not confuse the two. Finally, protein. Now, I said earlier that macros provide us with energy. However, protein does not provide your body with a ready energy source. Now, your body can break down protein for energy, but it doesn't really want to. Your body breaks down protein into amino acids, and I'm sure you've heard that term, if I say it properly, which your body uses for various number of functions, but mainly produce hormones and enzymes which help break down food, they grow muscle, and balance your immune health. Most of our proteins come from animal products, as plant-based products cannot provide all of the 20 amino acids we need. Your body can't store amino acids is another problem for later use, so it's really important that we get them every day and even at every meal. And finally, have you ever wondered when you're eating Chinese or Indian meals with rice, it's so easy to keep eating that rice with sauce? Or maybe that's just me, I don't really know. But this is because the protein is the only thing that your body is going to recognize as a single signal to feel full. You'll keep eating those carbs, that rice, until you pretty much physically can't do it anymore, until your body has consumed enough protein for your brain to say, hey, stop, I've had enough. So it's important that you eat protein at every meal as a mechanism to stop overeating, so you don't eat more energy than you could ever burn through exercise or general function in life. It's a bit of a mouthful, I know, and today's is a bit longer than normal, but I hope I've covered a lot about what macronutrients do and how it affects our body. Now, as always, if you've got any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me via email or message, or even see me in the gym, and I'm happy to explain things a little bit more. And that's about it. So thanks a lot and have a great day.